The Crimea of the future is a Ukrainian prosperous peninsula free from occupation. We must ensure this path is natural, full of respect to the history and culture of each indigenous people. Ukrainization is not coercion, it's a return to the roots. We must decolonize this land, free it from imperial narratives and return it to its true history. We must do everything possible to protect human rights in Crimea. Everyone deserves freedom of speech and belief, the right to own property and, most importantly, the right to a decent life. These rights should not just be written down, they should be felt by every person, every family. This especially concerns the indigenous peoples of Crimea. We are obliged to restore their rights to self-determination, to create conditions for true national territorial autonomy of the Crimean Tatar people. This is a legitimate right, and we must support this process by restoring historical names and restoring justice. Crimea is not only history, it's our future. It should become an economically developed and touristically attractive region. After all, Crimea is a place that should bring joy not only to its residents, but also to everyone who comes here. Crimea should become a place where everyone feels at home, where every language, every culture is respected, and where everyone has the right to a happy future.